this is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is who is coming next for you for fire signs Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yes, friends, please do subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot if you have already subscribed. Thank you so much. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across it, it will help you out in some way. Also, friends, do join if you want to watch the Hindi readings or the Urdu versions of this reading. It is on our new channel, Magic Wednesday Tarot Hindi. The link is in the timestamps or in the community or on our Instagram, Magic Wednesday Tarot. And if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. So let's not talk anymore and begin the reading. I will be pulling individual messages for Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, but right now we'll do a combined theme. Let's see what's happening currently for Aries. How are you feeling, Aries, Leo, Sag? Okay, quick. That was quick. The Chariot, the Two of Swords, the Knight of Rods. Look, your card is here. You are here, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. That's beautiful. I hope you can see. And the Queen of Swords. Wow, interesting. I feel you are stuck, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You want to move ahead in life. You definitely want to charge in your love life. You want to take charge. You want your love life to move. You want your love life to progress or life to progress. But somehow there are some confusions. You are not able to see things clearly right now. You feel a little confused. Decisions, not able to see things clearly, confusion. I think your head is saying one thing, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or your heart is saying one thing. It's like I don't know why, but you are trying to control your emotions in some way, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. It is like you are moving ahead, but you are not happy. Look at the face. It's like you are silently crying inside, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but you are not telling anyone anything. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. And maybe you are a little confused about what to do regarding your love life, how to make it better, how to even move forward in your love life. I see a lot of confusions, but you are bold. You want to change things. You want some drastic changes. You want progress in your love life. And this is for singles and for couples. You can see who is coming next. Maybe it's the same person or maybe it's a new person. But I see an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is important for you. I see communications are also blocked, like you are not telling people how you are feeling, or you are just I don't know what to do. There is this energy of like you feel you don't know what to do, the energy of confusion, not able to see how to move forward. Wow. Let's see who is coming. Let me just take a clarifier on the Queen of Swords. Clarify. Wow. I told you you are crying inside. You have ended recently something, Aries, Leo, Sag. Maybe you have ended a relationship recently, or in the past, you want someone from your past, but you don't know how to get to them. Maybe you have lost someone in life recently, or things are very, I don't know, but it feels like you need some change in your love life, and if it is not happening, you feel you are crying inside, you feel little unhappy. You also feel like, oh my god, why, why you want pace, you want passion, but life is like nah. So let's see who is coming towards you. Who's coming towards Aries, Leo, Sag? I think something is wrong with my camera. It's just not able to focus right. But let's do the reading. I'll fix it later if I can. Who's coming for Aries, Leo, Sag, Five of Rods? Who's coming for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in love? Who's coming for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in love? Okay, we got a King of Cups. Who's coming for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius? Your cards don't want to come out. Wow, the King of Rods, the King of Cups, the Five of Rods. Who is coming for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius? Someone wants you to offer love. Three of Rods. Who is coming towards Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in love? Okay. Again, oh my god, there are three kings here and the page. Oh my god, a lot of people are affecting your love life, or they are coming towards you in the future, or you... Good Lord, a lot of things going on. Angels, clarify the King of Swords. Clarify the Page of Swords. Clarify the King of Rods. Yeah. I feel someone from your past is coming back towards you. Someone, or there is someone that right now, I feel it. Okay, let me just break it down. If you have someone in the past, that person is coming back. Who is this person? Someone you had a lot of arguments with, someone who is constantly fighting or arguing with you. That person is coming back towards you with a great offer of love. They could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or I feel they could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. They want to balance this. They are thinking about you and they want to balance the situation, this relationship. They feel they have done something wrong to you and they want to work on this connection now. They want to take it forward. They want to move things. I feel this is a long distance relationship. You both are in different countries, so you are not in contact with this person, but this person definitely wants to be with you and they want to take things forward in this connection. Whether you like it or not, they will try to message you or win you back. But I feel there is a chance of a conflict happening between you and them. They could also be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel like this person wants you back, but you will not be able to trust them easily, especially if they are from someone from your past. You will be a little defensive with them. You will try, there might be some argument, some conflict happening. I also feel like someone is interfering in this connection. It could be their family or some colleagues or some friends, cousins. Someone is interfering in this connection. Maybe they are married or maybe you are married. It could be for some of you. Please take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. But someone is interfering. Lot of arguments happening even when they come ahead in the future. Again, the Five of Pentacles, the Page of Sword. I think like this person will come back. They will want to talk to you, but things may or may not work out between you and them because you both are very strong, you both are very fixed people, and somewhere you both are very, very hurt by each other. There could also be a child or someone younger also who is coming towards you, and that could also be like you have someone else new or they have found someone else new, but they still want to come and talk to you. So there is this conflict there. I feel a lot of conflict. I'm sorry, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but I will be pulling individual cards for you, so stay tuned for that. But let me just clarify. But things feel like someone is coming which wants to offer you, serenade you. Clarify the Five of Pentacles. Yeah, things of the past will be discussed, just challenges, why you left them, why they left you, why they hurted you, why the third party happened. All those things, all those discussions, the hurt, the pain, the judgment will be talked, discussed, but there is a chance of things getting better, relief coming, happiness coming in this relationship. But I think that's why you are in Two of Swords, a double minds, because someone from your past or someone you have a conflict right now with, or in the future you will have a conflict or an argument with someone. That person will propose you love. They will want to take this relationship or friendship into love as a date or as a friend relationship. Like they are your colleague, they are your boss. They feel interested in you, they want to take things forward with you, but you are resisting their advances. You don't feel the same way, or they have hurted you in some way. So you will be in double minds regarding your love life. I also feel there will be a new person also coming towards you, someone younger than you, and someone you met on social media. But you will find it difficult to trust even the new person and the past person. So there are two things coming here. If you are really, really single with no one, there are choices coming towards you in love through social media or through your work. But some arguments can happen, difference of opinions can happen. You may say, let us meet if you are in the same city, and that person may try, or like you start talking a lot and then suddenly things stop and you are like, what's going on? And they start defending themselves instead of talking with you. Arguments happen. I'm sorry, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but that's the energy coming. I know you are going to come and confirm this later on. It may not resonate with you right now because it is of the future energy. The time spans usually is 1 week to 15 days, or 15 to 20 days, Or it may happen sooner for some of you. I feel it's already happening actually. So who is coming towards Aries, Leo, Sag? I'll pull individual cards, so don't worry. Wow, the Fool, a new start is coming. I think you are gonna take a new start. You are just gonna say bye bye to everyone from the past, and you are like, nope, I'm dead set on my new path. I am ready for transformations. I'm ready for new people. You may be attracting people who are not from your culture, from your surroundings, people from different cultures, people who live away from you on social media. You might be meeting them. I feel like, yeah, there will be choices. That's what I was about to say. There will be two people coming towards you, or choices or confusions. You may miss someone from your past, someone new is there, or the past person wants you, but you don't want them. You feel unsure about them. So there is a lot happening in your love life. Let's see individual cards. What will happen who is coming for Aries? What will happen? Advice for Aries. Advice for Aries. I hope you can the brightness. Okay. Advice for Aries. No, your cards just don't want to come out. Oops. Base chakra, power. Advice for Aries. Wow. See, that's the reason there are so much energy of conflict. You will be in your solar plexus energy, Aries. Solar plexus is ego, your power in life, your control, your how successful you are, and base chakra is what belongs to you, who belongs to you, what is home, what is a family means to you, all those things. This is also about passion, this is also about finances. So a very, very sexual relationship can come towards you, or a very intense romantic attraction may be there, but you may still feel like control issues are affecting your love life, Aries, because you both are extremely powerful. You see those two kings? You are man or a woman, you are both very powerful. You are attracting a very powerful person. It can be someone you work with, someone who is your boss, someone who has a lot of age difference from you, or even if they are younger, they are a leader, they are very arrogant, they are very, very strong willed, they are very strong willed. Wow, it's a strong energy. The attraction will be there, but the egos can clash with this new person. You may meet them through some online work or certification, Aries, nurture. Yeah, you both, this new relationship can work if you both try to open your heart and nurture each other. If you make it on your egos, it's not going to work. It will become arguments, difficulties, lot of challenges. No wonder there are these things. So you will have to nurture yourself, nurture each other, and keep the communications open. Number three is about communications, Aries, and about love and victories. So you have to focus on that. Let's see for Aries. Leo, let's see for Leo. What's the advice for Leo? Who is coming for Leos? Okay, almost got a card for you, but then it went back. Okay, so one card fell out. Actually, three fell out face up. I'll take them. Wow, crown chakra, number 7. Seek the truth, number 7. Number 5, win or lose, 5 of swords. Here is the 6 of swords. I think you have so many sword cards. It's unbelievable. You could be dealing with a twin flame in your life. I feel Leos, you will have to trust your intuition, because someone very spiritual or someone you share a very strong spiritual connection is coming towards you. Someone will have a strong telepathy with you. Maybe it is your twin flame. Things are not going well with them, or you both are in karmic situations, but this person is coming back. Also there, I also feel you will be having choices in love, Leos, so you will have to use your intuition to make some decisions. There is this 5 of swords, winning or losing. Someone may, I'm sorry to say this, Leos, but you may attract someone from your past and someone new, and you may feel a little confused, but you have to use your intuition. Also, if you don't know someone, they might be, I'm sorry to say this, but 7 is here, so someone, it's the Neptunian energy. Some confusions can be there. Maybe you are not seeing someone as they really are, or maybe someone is not revealing their true facts or their true intentions. So if you feel a new person or a past person coming back to you is too good to be true, follow your intuition. I'm sorry to say, I don't want to bring you bad news, but uh, it could be a twin flame, it could be a twin flame, but something is going on. There is deception. Maybe they are not telling you, maybe they are fighting, not telling you they love you. The deception can be this. The deception can be they love you, they miss you. The King of Cups, they miss you, they want you. See, embrace the opportunities. Embrace the new things coming your way, and I think open your horizons, widen your horizons, Leo, because I think it's necessary. Listen to your intuition. You are being guided in the right path, Leos. You have to listen to your intuition. Someone may be deceiving you or not showing their true emotions. Someone may be hiding their love. So you need to follow your intuition and see things accordingly, and accept new people which are coming. And I don't know why, but I see you traveling, Leos. It's like you are traveling somewhere or going somewhere. Someone from the, I see you people connecting to you online, social media. This is like the World Wide Web, www dot, maybe that's the where you are going to connect. See, heal. Number 17. I think some of you may even doubt the new people coming towards you, Leos, because of the past, past hurt and pain. So heal yourself and listen to your intuition, Leos. Sagittarius, who is coming towards Sagittarius? Dedicated effort, yes. 8 of Wands, communications are coming, a lot of communications. Sagittarius, who is coming towards Sagittarius? Who's coming towards Sagittarius? Just breathe, find balance. Something very, very passionate relationship is coming. It will be a very, take the lead. Sagittarius, it will be a very, very passionate relationship. Perhaps someone from you already know, or you are friends with, or have worked with, or you had a relationship with this person in the past. They are coming back towards you. They want to take things forward with you, Sagittarius. There will be a lot of attraction, a lot of energy, a lot of talking, sharing, and This can also be a new person which meets you with a lot of passion, and you talk a lot. You will find that you have similar hobbies, likes and dislikes. So Sagittarius, you had the best reading out of all the three signs, Aries and Leo and Sag. And just read I think this person will be very similar to you, and it will be very passionate and exciting for you. And you are advised to take the lead. If someone new comes or someone wants to talk to you, take the charge. If you like someone, go ahead, Sagittarius, make that move, propose your love, and keep things in balance. Keep the emotion and the passion in balance, because that is important for you, Sagittarius. Anything else for Sagittarius? Who is coming? If you are single, this is for singles or for couples. You can still cross check giving and receiving. Look at this. Someone wants to offer you so much of love, so much of compliments, so much love, joy. Maybe you will do something like, travel with them, or make a project, or like you write together, you make songs together. It will be exciting, it will be fun. This is beautiful. So that's it for now, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Please do subscribe our channel Magic Vans Tarot. And if you like today's reading, like this video, join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, and join our new channel for Hindi and Urdu readings, exclusive Hindi Urdu readings. The link is in the timestamps or in the community of it's Magic Vans Tarot Hindi. So you can go there, you can search it on YouTube, you will find it easily. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.